Welcome. In front of me I have Canon EOS 1300D, and today I will show you how we can turn on or turn off image review and how we can adjust this feature. So at the first you have to tap on the menu button, and we have to be right here on the left upper corner, and then we have to click on the image review, tap set, and as you can see here we got a couple of the options. We can turn it off, we can go for the 2, 4, 8 seconds, and also on the hold until you turn it off. For example, let's go for the 2 seconds. And right now when you take a photo, let me do this. As you can see, the photo was taken, and after 2 seconds this photo will be just disappear on the screen. Of course it will be saved to the camera, and yeah, that's how we can change it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.